Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a rare laptop here. These are the laptop is called Vorago I believe, Alpha laptop. And these laptops are not common laptops, and they're really cheap brand laptops. And the exact model, it is a Vorago Alpha N3060 laptop. And the N3060 is the CPU model. Pretty much they just grabbed that CPU model and slammed it as a model for the laptop. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to open it up, how to replace your battery if your battery is really not holding up any charge, or even how you can replace the cells on the battery if you can find it. All right. And the tools that you're going to be needing, it's a screwdriver set. I use the UFIXTEK screwdriver set as always. You're going to use a Phillips number 1. These bits are made out of S2 class steel. They're really tough in steel. That's why I like these screws. Alright, you can find these materials on my video description. You will need an opening tool. For the opening tool, I'm going to be using a guitar pick. Metallic guitar picks are really suitable to opening covers. And we're going to power off the laptop, and on the bottom cover, we're going to remove all the screws that we see, including there should be a screw under the warranty labels. This warranty label just plays around, it goes around, so it should be here, here, or here. Just have to puncture to this one. So pretty much in the middle section, there should be 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. So go ahead and remove all the screws on the bottom cover. Remember, all the screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about mismatching them. Also, if you guys want to support the channel, you can support the channel by clicking that like button and subscribing. And also, if you want to use my Amazon affiliate links under my video description to support me to purchase your daily stuff, I really appreciate it. It will be a great support. Alright, once you remove all the screws on the bottom cover, you need to grab yourself a guitar pick or opening tool. You want to stick it between the top and the bottom cover in the front end of the laptop, just like that. And you just want to just move it around, and you want to separate the top and the bottom cover. You're just pretty much walking around like this. Work your stuff around. You want to go towards the USB 3 port on the side. You want to go to audio side, audio jack. You want to go here where you have the fan exhaust out, and open the sides, and on the back you want to stick it on the back side again. Open up the back plate, separate it like that. All right, once you remove all the screws and you open up the cover from the front to the USB side and the back, all you want to do, grab the cover only from one corner and bring it up, and you want to push it towards the audio jack and microphone jack. You want to slide it toward there, so you can scoop it underneath and remove it. And this caddy faceplate for DVD drive is just going to fall off, so don't worry about it. You can place it back on. And down here you can see, you can actually buy a DVD drive and place it in here. There's a space for it and there's a connector for it. But it's going to look like a bare bone faceplate because you will not be able to use the faceplate that comes in here. Anyway, down here the battery is right over here, and the batteries are really bare bone batteries. There is no cover or shield on them. To remove the battery, you have to remove this screw right over here and remove the screw right on the other side. So there should be 2 screws, one right here and one right over here. Remove 2 screws and scoop up the battery, just lift it up, and that's it. You see there's an empty space right over here, there's nothing right there, and the 1, 2, 3 cell batteries. The model for this one, it says model W940BAT-3. You can either get this battery, or you can just peel off this label on top. Just move it to one side. And if you know how to use a solder station, level of soldering, desoldering stuff, you can actually purchase yourself a 3 cell of this battery. These are 18650 batteries, so you can buy 3 of them and just solder it back in here and you're ready to go. So There should be more space for one more right over here, but I guess they don't want to add any. So let's say you got the new battery in, you just want to sit it down right over here and bring it towards the motherboard and slam it right towards the connector. Place the 2 screws that you removed on each side. Alright, with that's done, now all you need to do is to grab the bottom cover, scoop down the audio jack side down, scoop it right from this offset, just bring it underneath and adjust the DVD caddy right there and push down the top cover, just smack the sides down, squeeze the back side together so it just makes a big noise, just like that. Squeeze the side, pinch them together, and the last thing would be to just grab the bottom screws and put them right over. As always, I hope you guys like this video and helped you guys to do your own battery replacement for your laptop. If it did, please click that like button and think about subscribing if you want to support the channel. If you guys have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish up placing the screws on the bottom.